Let's get started on discussing more about the solution. Mark, I'd like to start with you. How can you hope to both solve the problem and measure success at the same time?
Well, Elizabeth, we knew as we got started and dug into the goal that Duke was trying to achieve, we'd have to build some technology, and that's what we set out to do. We need to build technology that could ingest lots of data, make sense out of all of it, to measure baseline emissions off the gas distribution system, verify that leaks had been fixed, and show a net zero result. And we've built that with the emissions platform, and we're super excited with its potential.
Thanks, Mark. So now that you've developed that technology that measures the methane emissions from natural gas distribution systems, how can field technicians use the data successfully to identify and repair methane leaks? Heather, can you talk a little bit more about the cloud solution?
Yeah, sure. So much of what Mark just mentioned, assembling all of that data, we used Microsoft Dynamics 365 to ultimately put it in the hands of the field service agents so that they can prioritize and repair those leaks that much faster.
And Elizabeth, this new technology can detect trace levels of methane that current technology is unable to do. Duke Energy partnered with a company called Satellytics that provides the satellite imaging and insights into the methane on our system.
That's incredible. Mark, how does the platform handle such a high volume of data from a variety of sources?
Well, handling a large amount of data was clearly a big challenge we had to overcome, and cloud's a big part of that. So Accenture and Avni, which is our joint venture with Microsoft, teamed together, and we are applying skills in data science, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and analytics in general to help measure the leaks, measure the flow rates on the leaks, and get that information to the field that Heather referred to.
Let's focus on the innovation elements of this project. Sasha, how in particular were we able to take a more innovative approach, and how did we get to that solution?
Well, it really started by the way we are measuring our methane leaks today, which is we spend a lot of time and resources being able to find the leak before we're able to fix it. But now with this technology, we're able to receive an immediate field response in order for them to know where the leak is and to go fix this. We started using satellites to detect methane back in 2020, and we're finally able to now use this tool to allow us to then identify these leaks in near real time and reduce our methane emissions on our system.
And Sasha, how will this change measuring and monitoring in the industry as a whole?
I think this is a game changer. If you're a natural gas distribution company, you can now measure your methane emissions in near real time and know where you need to take action in order to reduce your methane emissions. And that is, without a doubt, going to change the way natural gas companies report their methane emissions.
And Mark, anything to add?
And what's most exciting to me is that we're really demonstrating the power of a partnership and the ability to innovate around different technology solutions to make a real difference in climate change.